We are here at the cafe Secretariat Yangon in front of the Secretariat office where the Aung San Suu Kyi's father was assassinated here. We just ordered some...
having latte and chilled plata.
So today is a holiday, so we're just... Hi Skylar! So later we will go inside the office of the Secretariat.
Have some. Yeah, so that will not get hurt. This is Bojok Aung San, the father of the Aung San Suu Kyi, the chairman.
Martyr and we call the independent heroes of Myanmar. So this all 9 people assassination at the same time, 1947, July 19.
So the 9 of them
Yes.
was assassinated?
Yes, in this building. So as you can see, the 1947, 47, 47,
Yes.
47. Everywhere in the assassination of 1947. It's all 9 people.
All these ministers?
Yes.
All of them are ministers.
No, 7 people as ministers.
7 people?
One is the police secretary and the last one is a person lawyer. No brother, he's passing the gun from his
A personal lawyer?
Yes.
Kakku is the youngest brother. He's only 18 years old. He's a bodyguard of Mr. Abdul Rasak, Minister of Education.
July, all of the Myanmar
Where is they?
pay respect. There's Mussolini and now they here. And that's also people pay respect in Mussolini. Every night in July.
So these are known by
Children. Yeah.
from different school?
Yes, different schools. Ceremonies of Aung San, and then 1948, 4 January, we regained the independence in this parliament. In the time to make a ceremony here, the union. After independence.
That's fine.
Yes.
This is the
The first parliament?
the first
Yes.
in
Myanmar.
Yangon.
Yes. Because this parliament building is there in 1919, that the construction.
1990?
Yes. In the time, the British Legislative Council statute from 1923. Because the Legislative Council in Myanmar, in the time, this building will be a parliament building. Became a parliament building. And then grandfather clock. And then
grandfather's clock. Yes, I know grandfather's clock.
And then 19th century, all of the people changing again. The electric master clock. This is 19th century clock. This is electric master clock. In the time, in this building use, in this office use in this machine behind the tower.
100 years old.
Yes. This is French window. He recommended the assassination. This is programming. After assassination, the Burmese army catch this all of the assassin and then hang in execution. In the time, 12 people make a meeting in this one inside. 11 minister and one deputy secretary make a meeting in this one inside. In the time, the programming is coming in this way. And they suddenly burst the door.
Different floor tiles?
Yes, floor time. In the time, the western floor time is
And this one?
this is India, make in England.
Oh.
But this is 19th century floor time in Myanmar.